Hey everybody, welcome to Furniture Restoration TV. My name is Ward Woods from Red Rock Furniture and Refinishing, and today we are going to work on this Drexel Heritage Console Table for one of our clients that we've done a lot of work for. So I hope you enjoy the show and the process, and please like and subscribe. We're going to go ahead and patch up all the spots that need to be patched and then go ahead and paint this thing to match the rest of her pieces we've done for her. So our next step is going to be to replace some of the broken pieces on the corners so we can have some flush edges. So for this other piece, we actually have the original piece of wood. We're going to use epoxy to glue this back on to fill in any voids that had splintered off when this had broke. Alright, so we've got the top cleaned off, sanded, and now we're going to fill in all the voids with Bondo. I personally like using Bondo just because of the creamy texture, and you can really get a smooth lay down with it so you don't have a lot of sanding, and it hardens really well. So it's good for tabletops that you're going to paint over or something like that. One of the keys to getting a clean lay down with your knife and Bondo is make sure you're cleaning your blade consistently, and that's going to give you a really nice clean lay down and save you a lot of sanding in the long run. Now that we have all the voids and scratches on the top filled, we're going to go ahead and do the sides. I'm going to build these up with Bondo just a little bit more, just so I know I have extra to sand off and I can get a nice, clean, smooth edge. Now we're going to just clean the bottom surface just to make sure it's clean so we can go ahead and paint over this. So I'm using a paint and primer in one on this, which worked out pretty well. I definitely recommend doing a primer alone and then painting over the top. You have to put on a lot of layers of this paint to fill it all in. And now we're applying the final finish. It's a water-based polyurethane, and we went with a matte finish that the client requested. Alright, so we're pretty excited about how this turned out. The client was really excited. Originally, she thought she'd want to keep some natural wood poking through. The contrast of gray and natural wood we thought would be nice. But once we got it in her house and got it next to all our other pieces, we ended up getting rid of the natural wood and going with black, which ended up looking really sleek and looking really nice in her house with the gold. So, hope you guys enjoyed the process. I appreciate you guys tuning in and checking us out. We're going to try and do more of these here shortly. And please like and subscribe, and we will talk to you soon. Thanks very much.